In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use some key features of the HubSpot platform to enhance your email capabilities. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to access and customize your emails effectively. First, let's kick things off by visiting the trial guide for the Sales Hub Professional. To get started, open your browser and head over to the link for the trial guide. This resource is designed to help you explore the expansive suite of tools HubSpot has to offer, tailor-made for boosting your sales activities. Make sure you have your credentials ready to log in comfortably and gain access to all the features. Once you are in the trial guide, the next step you'll take is to click on the Email button. This will direct you to the Email section, where you will find all your communication tools neatly organized. Taking this step will open up the various functionalities and settings related to emails, giving you a focal point for managing all your outbound and inbound correspondence with ease. Now that you're in the email section, go ahead and click on the Highlight option. This tool will bring emphasis to particular options or sections you might want to focus on, helping you navigate more effectively through the choices and settings in the HubSpot platform. It's especially useful when you are dealing with a large number of emails and need to prioritize your tasks efficiently. Following that, proceed to click on View Email. Doing so will allow you to preview emails in their entirety before they are sent out. This is a crucial step since it gives you the opportunity to review your content and make necessary adjustments to ensure your messaging is clear and professional. It's also a great way to see how your email will appear to recipients, ensuring that any embedded images, links, or formatted text are displaying correctly. Finally, one of the most exciting features is the ability to add custom HTML to your email. By clicking on this option, you can customize your email by inputting HTML code. This can be immensely helpful if you want to create more dynamic and visually appealing emails that go beyond the basic templates. It's a powerful way to enhance your branding and impact, making sure your communications truly stand out in the recipient's inbox. And that wraps up our tutorial on navigating the HubSpot platform to manage your email communications effectively. By following these steps, you can ensure you're making the most of your HubSpot experience, fine-tuning your email campaigns to better connect with your audience. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips on using HubSpot to its fullest potential.